Hi y'all, I'm Bethany. I recently graduated from the University of Arkansas here in Fayetteville. I majored in public health and I minored in theater. I minored in theater just because I grew up performing. I've always loved performance. I did competitive dance, competed in pageants, and did cheerleading. So minoring in theater really gave me an opportunity to just express that side of myself, as well as majoring in public health gave me an opportunity to get all the prereqs required to apply to physician assistant school, which is my plan ahead, and also gave me the opportunity to learn more about science in general. So I'm really glad that my minor wasn't in the same field as my major. Like I just said, I'm applying to physician assistant school this upcoming cycle. So if anyone else is applying to PA school in this course, comment below and maybe we can share emails and help each other out with the process a little bit. I'm very excited about applying to PA school. I come from a long line of medical professionals. Both my grandfathers were surgeons, and I have uncles who are surgeons, and I have some cousins that are currently in medical school right now. So, a lot of medicine in the family. Also, I currently have a job within the medical field as a medical assistant, patient care assistant at MANA, which is the Medical Association of Northwest Arkansas. It's been a great job for me to get hours and some hands-on experience and just really learn more about the medical profession and how everything from how a hospital works to dealing with patients and patient care and all the needs in between. I do everything from phlebotomy to taking vitals, helping doctors chart, so just a little bit of everything. I'm very appreciative that I currently have this job, so it'll really help me out in the future. Some interesting facts about myself are that I love international travel. I just got back from Bolivia. My brother and his wife actually got married down there. She's from Bolivia, and so we were able to go and see where she's from, see her culture, and all of that. It was a great experience. I also grew up on a farm. That's a little fun fact. I've helped raise everything from ducks and chickens to potbelly pigs, donkeys, cows, horses, sheep, goats, just any farm animal you can name. And I actually have a potbelly pig. I'll show you a picture. Her name is Pearl, and she honestly thinks she's a dog. This is Pearl and I. She was tiny when she was a baby. When I rescued her at around 2 weeks old, I had to bottle feed her and had to teach her how to walk and everything because she was the runt, and so her mother gave her up. So it was a great learning experience. And I have a puppy. His name is Ranger. Here's his picture. He is so sweet. I currently rescued him around a couple months ago, and him and Pearl get along great. But I'm so excited for this course, and I can't wait to watch everyone's videos and meet all of y'all. So I hope everyone has a great semester, and I'm looking forward to learning more about genetics.